Today, we're going to learn how to make AI music for free. So there's this new tool that's come out, which is going to shake up the world of royalty-free music called UDIO. UDIO allows us to make tracks of all genres, all styles, with lyrics or instrumental for totally free. At the moment, you can do up to 600 tracks a month without spending a penny. So if you're using music and royalty-free music specifically on your videos, you really need to know about this tool. It came out earlier this month. I don't know how long the trial's going to last. At the moment, it's in beta, but I've been really impressed. So I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you what we can do with this. This is UDIO. You can log in with a Google account or you can create one on any email. And you'll see you have the Discover tab. This is set up a bit like an AI Spotify. It will play in the background as well on your phone if you play tunes from here. And you can see that the staff have already made quite a few bits of music for people to listen to and test. And there's quite a bit of interest on here. This tune, for example, already has 106,445 listens and nearly 2,000 likes. Clearly, they're looking to build a community of musicians or AI musicians on this platform. So you can see this is a reference to June.
The greatest leader we've ever seen. They say that he's the listen out guy.
Okay, so Broadway style June references in there. This is what I use it for, what you want to watch. Someone's obviously created a track here to ask their family what they want to watch that evening.
Scrolling past the endless titles. Yeah.
R&B style, very cool. You can see there's quite a lot of inspiration here already that people are posting. And it seems that the staff have been very busy with this. There's even this nice Lorem Ipsum track for those of you who are into your web development and SEO. You'll certainly know about that. How do we make our own music then? I've already created an account and I've been quite busy with making music. Some of the use cases for this are the TikTok videos that I've been doing, shorts on Facebook, and also my podcast introduction and outro are all AI generated. All we need to do is click into this top toolbar. And first off, let's do what we would do for like background music. So if we select instrumental and we give it some information up here, we've gone for inspiring background music, chilled, for podcast and inspirational videos. And we will add a confident lo-fi and maybe some inspirational here as a tag. Then we simply click create and you'll see that UDIO is going away and creating our 2 tracks. Confirmation here, you get 600 each month as part of this package. This usually takes between 15 and 60 seconds. And then once it's done, you can click into my creations and it's titled these for us as well. So we've got Dream in Lo-Fi and Elevated Thoughts. We'll just wait a minute while they process. As you can see, these have now processed. We can click into Dream in Lo-Fi and press play. Decent, nice and chilled. If we want to download this now, we just go ahead and click the download button here. If we wanted to publish it so that other people can see it, we can do that. And we can also remix or extend means you can put it up to 2, 3, 4 minutes. I'll show you how that works on the other track in a moment. So let's go back into my creations and check out Elevated Thoughts. I like that one more. Let's open it up and click extend this time. So in here, we can add an intro, we can add a section before, we can add a section out, or we can do an outro. Let's add a section after, click extend. And it's going away now to create the longer version of the track, which is usually about a minute. Now let's try some lyrics, do something a little bit different here. If we select country and western, it then gives us some more options underneath. Let's go for some country pop and add modern country, country rock. I think we'll delete country pop. We don't want to confuse it too much. And then we can go to another AI tool, ChatGPT. ChatGPT will help us with our lyrics. We want lyrics for a 15-second country song reference to the TV series Yellowstone. And we've got an output. Riding through the breaks under wide Montana skies, branded souls and wild hearts where the river bends and lies. With every dusty trail, our legacy survives. On this land we stand, fierce and free like the eagle flies. Amazing. Brings a tear to the eye. So we will check out the other tab. Back to UDIO now. Back to UDIO. And instead of instrumental this time, we want custom. We take our lyrics from ChatGPT. You can see them in here. And once all of that's aligned, we go ahead and click create. Back to creations. I'm waiting for these two tracks. Montana Heartbeats is finished. Let's have a listen to Montana Heartbeats. Open it up and press play.
Riding through the breaks under wide Montana skies, branded souls and wild hearts where the river bends and lies. With every dusty trail, our legacy survives. 'Cause on this land we stand, fierce and free like eagle fly.
So you can see now we have the basis of a track. Not my favorite, I have to say. And it looks like there's an error on wide Montana skies. So for some reason, that one's not working. But you get the idea. Really cool program. And the fact it's free for now while they gather feedback is quite incredible. I think where we're going with some of this stuff is insane. And it's just a lead in to what it will be like when we have visuals and movies and all the other stuff that's going to come out with AI. So there you have it. That's it for my first YouTube video. If you like this, if you got value out of it, please like, please subscribe, leave me a comment. And if there are other videos you'd like me to make relating to AI, ChatGPT or Claude, let me know in the comments. I really appreciate your support. And until the next time, thank you for joining my channel today.